Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Office, Home, and Happiness. Welcome to Home, okay, please. It's me, Pranita Pandit. And yes, I am live today or अगले 50 मिनट के लिए, maybe 55 minutes. I'm going to be with you guys, and we are going to talk about this entire setup that we have created, which is work from home because we really need to these days सब घर से काम करते हैं and you always need things जिससे आप अपनी लाइफ को बहुत आसान बना सकते हैं and you can actually just create a setup where you can just sit chill work. इतने सारे products हैं आज मेरे पास, so I am going to still wait for 2 minutes more. 2 minutes, hang on with me because it takes time for this live to you know get started, and I don't want you to miss it. So yes, I will start talking about the product, showcasing it, and we will start discussing all the details. But before that, I will request you all to just go live on my. Okay, perfect. So to just go online, just figure it out, see all the products that's on my list, and I'm also going to share the link right away on my Insta profile so that all the people who are there on my Amazon channel can come online and see the live. So I don't want any of you guys to miss it. Please see all the products in the cart. देखिए बहुत छोटी 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 चीज़ें हमने साथ में रखी हैं and सब कुछ incorporate किया है जिसमें हम चाहते हैं कि भाई आप कुछ मिस ना करें. अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट है जिसके बारे में आप और जानना चाहते हैं, प्लीज़ आस्क मी. आई एम हियर टू आंसर. So I'm here to answer and I will do that. So let's just get started. Let me go on my app, join you guys right here, and chat with me, ask me questions. I am waiting. I can see some numbers. Where are you guys? कहाँ गए सब लोग? Hello, Ronak Gujar. Hi, Devil's Advocate. Hi. So you can see बहुत सारे प्यारी प्यारी चीज़ें हैं मेरे पास, and कितने सारे लोग हैं यार. सबको आजकल सबके पास iPad और iPhone और लैपटॉप्स, everyone has that at home, और सब घर पे बैठ के काम करते हैं उसके थ्रू. So first let's start. I'm just थोड़ा और वेट कर लूँ for the live to kind of just get going. Can you guys see me? Is there everything is clear, sound and everything? Till that time you can just see this table setup and I'm gonna wait it out. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पर. क्या आपको इंट्रीग कर रही हैं, क्या है जो आप चाहते हैं देखना. So please check it out and I will start showcasing the products thereon. इस टेबल पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 चीज़ें हैं. इस टेबल पे 8 9 चीज़ें हैं. वहाँ पर है 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. We have loads of products happening. So yes guys, there is a lot out there and I want you guys to check out my card. I want more people to join in before I start talking about it in detail. And let's do this. Where are you guys? कहाँ हो आप लोग? कोई कुछ लिख लो. Okay, Devil's Advocate, thank you so much for following me. AV is all clear. Perfect. Thank you. So let's start. Let's not waste a lot of time. सबसे पहला जो प्रोडक्ट मैं मार्क करने वाली हूँ वो बड़ी छोटी चीज़ है बट बहुत काम की चीज़ है और सबके घर में होती है. दिस अमेजॉन बेसिक का मल्टीपर्पज़ टेबल देख लो भाई. ये फोल्ड हो जाता है. इसके ऊपर मैंने इतना सामान रखा हुआ है. बेड के ऊपर पड़ा हुआ है ये टेबल एंड यू कैन सी ये यहाँ से ऐसे फोल्ड हो जाता है एंड आई कैन जस्ट स्लाइटली fold it and put it right back there. And if you want me to fold it and show it to you, Ritam Sengupta, hi, how are you? Yes, I'm waiting for this live to just go out there and yeah, we will be talking more and more. And आपको कैसा लगा ये टेबल, आप बताइए मुझे. हाउ आर यू लाइकिंग इट? इज़ इट समथिंग दैट इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग यू? कोई ऐसी प्रोडक्ट मेरे पूरे कार्ट में जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, या आप चाहते हो कि जिसके बारे में मैं और बात करूँ, then ask me. So this table is for 549 rupees. I'm just gonna now start full blown because 5 मिनट हो चुके हैं and I don't want to waste more time and I don't want to lose out because बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ये लाइव बाद में भी देखते हैं and some people watch it live. So yes, it's one of those days. Hi, can you? Oh, I can see my picture also. I like it. I like it. So yes, this is a portable table from from our very own Amazon and it is really nice. बहुत सस्ता है, बहुत ही बढ़िया है and 82% ऑफ पे मिल रहा है आपको आज. जो ये 3,000 रुपये का था, you just literally getting it for 549 and I think it's a steal deal. So you should not think much about it. And I'm fine, ma'am. Hope you're keeping well. Yes, Ritam, I am. I'm really good. And I actually decided कि I'm also working from home, and I'm sure a lot of people who watch my lives are all working from home. So let's do a little home segment combined with office and happiness. कि कैसे आप अपने घर पे एक छोटा सा सेटअप जो पोर्टेबल सा हो, जो कुछ चीज़ें हो जो आपके ऑफिस वर्क को करने में बहुत आसान बना दे. And I think it's really important to have that little infrastructure or that setup in your house. So उससे regarding बहुत सारे products हैं मेरे पास. Literally 40 products I've put, 30 I might be having in hand which I can actually show you. I can tell you guys how good it is, how it's like उसके plus क्या है, उसके minus क्या है. Mostly जितने भी products मैं showcase करती हूँ उसमें I make sure that they are very highly rated, they are good products, but फिर भी मेरे साथ कभी कभी हो जाती है गलती where even I kind of end up having this thing of products where something comes wrong and then I choose to drop those products and not show them to you क्योंकि I don't want you guys to have a bad experience and already मैं मेहनत का काम कर रही हूँ तो it's good. So let's we've spoken about this table. इस टेबल के बारे में अगर आपके पास कोई questions हैं you can ask me. It's a foldable portable table. बेड पे रख सकते हो, साइड स्लैब पे रख सकते हो, कहीं पर भी wherever you want to eat food it can be used for that purpose also. and काम करने के लिए तो बेस्ट है. आप देख सकते हो कि कितना सारा सामान टेबल पे रखा हुआ है and it is beautifully fitting in and there is no hassle altogether with the table and with the setup. So I am still waiting. Where are you guys? So here it is. Then we quickly will move to this Infomate ka laptop stand. Wait till I go to Infomate and I show you this laptop stand. And ये बहुत amazing price point पे. It's only for $299. It's on a 50% 15% discount. Plus there is 4.5 stars that's given to it. So I know it's a good product which is doing really good. So let's go there and check that out. Oops, इसमें बहुत सारी और छोटी छोटी चीज़ें रखी हुई हैं. ये बड़ा ही छोटा सा स्टैंड है, पोर्टेबल सा. यू कैन सी दैट ये आराम से फोल्ड हो जाता है और आप इसको रख सकते हो. वेरी इजी टू क्लोज एंड इट इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट टू हैव इन द हाउस. ये आप इसको ऐसे निकाल सकते हो एंड जस्ट हैव टू. ये रहा ये प्रोडक्ट. ये इतना छोटा सा प्रोडक्ट है. जस्ट लुक एट दिस प्रोडक्ट. ये है एक लैपटॉप का स्टैंड जो बहुत स्टर्डी है, जो बहुत बढ़िया है. सिर्फ 300 रुपये में मिलता है और आप ये लिटरली किसी भी कॉर्नर में ड्रॉअर के अंदर रख सकते हो. एंड व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग ऑन योर लैपटॉप यू कैन जस्ट स्लाइड इट आउट, सेट इट अप इन 30 seconds एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट टू हैव. लाइक यू कैन सी कुछ नहीं करना है. मैंने इसको ऐसे लिया है, इसको ऐसे क्लिक किया है, इसको ऐसे लिया है, ऐसे क्लिक किया है यहाँ पर. इसमें यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी खांचे हैं एंड यू जस्ट क्लोज इट लाइक दिस एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. यू कैन पुट इट हियर, यू कैन पुट योर लैपटॉप लाइक दिस एंड वर्क. अभी तो मैंने इसके ऊपर फोल्डर्स रख दिए हैं बट या यू कैन ऑलवेज कीप योर लैपटॉप लाइक दैट एंड वर्क एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टैंड टू हैव. सो वी विल, अगर आप चाहते हो कि किसी प्रोडक्ट को मैं और डिटेल में दिखाऊं, please ask me. I'll be more than happy to show. Oh, that's super portable. Yes, it is. It is really portable. It's very, very, very easy to use, and it's fabulous. So, the price point is also great. Ratings are very good. ड्रॉर के अंदर रख सकते हैं, एंड आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग दैट यू शुड हैव इन योर हाउस. सेइंग दैट, मेरे पास एक और प्रोडक्ट है विच इज वेरी वेरी सिमिलर बट नॉट एट ऑल सेम. मतलब काम सेम करता है, बट इसमें ऑफकोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा फीचर्स हैं इन कंपेरिजन टू अ वेरी बेसिक. So point is that it is just going to be a little more complicated, but it's nicer. Just see that. But दोनों की purposes अलग है. Like I said, you have that which is only for 299, 300 rupees का है, और वो सिर्फ folders या laptop रखने के लिए आपको काम आएगा. There and then I have something which is very expensive, which is for जो 62% डिस्काउंट पे होने के बाद you are getting for 1899. So you can imagine the price difference. It's right here. Hi guys, where are you? आज का क्या हो रहा है numbers का? Is it fine or there's a glitch? It's fine, right? Okay, perfect. So Brigade's का glass desktop है, ये रहा. Again, you can keep your laptop more than the laptop and work, but point is वो slip हो जाएगा. This is more for an iPad actually. That is for your laptop, this is for your iPad. You can put your iPad here, you can do your Zoom meetings, and let me show you this. इसके अंदर इतनी सारी जगह है, and also what you can do is just keep your phone right here and charge it. So बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं इस particular product में, which is this glass top. You get a marker with an eraser, which is again fabulous. Like while you're talking, you want to take some notes, it's very convenient. Pen nikala, लिख लिया points, whatever you want to write, and you're chatting, or you can even keep your phone like this and talk. So yeah, मेरे तो phone में cover है, but iPad easily fits in. Yeah, this is also fitting in. So like if I'm doing a Zoom, I can just literally look at it like this. Where is my... And yeah, keep taking notes, writing it down with this pen. There is a small eraser which you can also keep inside, and you just have to erase it. और ये मिट भी जाता है बहुत easily इस छोटे से डस्टर के साथ. Let me just any questions you have, anything you want to know, please do let me know. This is a very nice छोटा सा, I think it's one of those days there's a technical glitch, right? Or something. No? Why are the numbers so low? और मेरे को ही दिखना है ऐसे. So yeah, this is how it works. I can just write number 1, number 2, and hello, hi, and this is how you erase it after you've taken your notes. This is how you open it, and you can keep your pen inside it, you can keep your duster inside it. थोड़े और कुछ भी चीज़ें आपको अगर इसमें स्टोर करनी है, so it has storage. Only the glass top is heavy, rest everything is super light, and it's a very very convenient product to have. So you must not miss it at all. So let's get going. Any questions अगर आपके पास आए तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. What happened? It's not updating, but it is going, right? How many people are watching this live? There is a technical glitch, so please write to me so that I know that there are a lot of people. Hi Ronak Gujjar, are you still there? And yes, let's keep going and let's keep chatting and not think about the numbers. So this is that. Rest I have a really nice cute, ये क्या है बताओ भाई, पूछो कोई, ये क्या है? It's a portable Portronics का portable nice calculator, which is very very sleek. It's very cute, but it has a lot of features. Wait, let me show it to you. Here it is, and it is only for 869 rupees. So you can just open it and see. The best feature is this gets on, right, and there is a pen that you get with it. Nice. Nikita Shah, hi. The calculator, it's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. You can just on it, you can do your calculations and you can write here also while you're taking notes. So what I do is, इसको ऐसे किया चला जाएगा. So what I do is, जैसे जब हिसाब करना होता है या some number calculations I have to do, I just write it down first, or sometimes take it like this phone से, and then I can just फटाफट फटाफट कैलकुलेट. और एल्स लाइक you're forgetting या लास्ट नंबर आप काफ़ी सारे कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हो, तो यू कैन एटलीस्ट मेक अ नोट हियर. So you can just write 1 2 4 5 whatever, and then just keep it so that it's there, and then do this and it's gone. So it's a very sleek nice calculator. It comes with a, इसको मैं ऑफ भी कर सकती हूँ. Once I switch it off, it gets off. It has a really nice sleek pen holder right here that goes through, and it is for only 869 rupees, which is a great price to have for a calculator like this. So it's a very sleek nice calculator, very handy. Office में हमेशा you need these little things which help you. So yep, that's there. And any other questions, any other products, Nikita, Orlando, Ritam, you want to know more about, you can always go to my cart, check it out and let me know. So I will tell you more about it. Let's quickly go to this Veda Essentials again. वाटर बॉटल टेस्ट, जो काम दिखावा ज़्यादा करता है उनके लिए परफेक्ट कैलकुलेटर बिजनेस तो कैसियो विल. यस यस यस, दैट्स ट्रू. बट द पॉइंट इज़ कि कैसियो भी उतने का ही आता है और ये भी उतने का ही आता है, तो मैं थोड़ा दिखावे में और थोड़े और कन्वीनियंस में बिलीव करूँगी, एंड आई वुड बाय समथिंग लाइक दिस एट द सेम प्राइस पॉइंट. सो यप, एंड इट्स ईजी, जस्ट ईजी, लाइक नोट्स लिखने के लिए भी आसान हो जाता है ना, बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू राइट. हमेशा पेन पेपर नहीं होता, बट अगर कैलकुलेटर है आपके बैग में तो आप उसमें भी नोट्स ले सकते हो. सो छोटा सा एक छोटी चीज़ जिसके मल्टीपर्पज़ यूज़ हो सकते हैं, तो वाई नॉट गो फॉर दैट. सो यप, दैट्स देयर. लेट्स क्विकली गो एंड चेक आउट दिस ब्यूटिफुल बॉटल फ्रॉम वेदा एसेंशियल्स. वर्क फ्रॉम होम हो और कॉपर बॉटल में पानी ना पिया जाए, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? लाइक यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So it's right here. It's a very nice, beautiful, sleek bottle. Looks so pretty. Just see. Pratyush Singh, hi. Thank you for following me, Pratyush. Can you guys share this live ahead? I don't know. I think there is a glitch which is like bothering me quite a bit. So please keep commenting, keep chatting with me so that I know you guys are there and I know it's a glitch. So here it is. It's a beautiful bottle. कॉपर बॉटल है, थोड़ा सा एंगल में आपको उसको क्लोज करना पड़ता है वरना ये अटक जाता है. सो यप, हियर इट इज. टिंग टिंग. सो दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल बॉटल व्हिच यू कैन चेक आउट. जस्ट लुक एट दिस, एम्बॉस किया हुआ है यहाँ पे वेदा एसेंशियल्स. लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. एंड कॉपर के बॉटल में 1 लीटर पानी तो रोज़ पीना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज it really has a lot of health benefits. So that's why I found it useful, and I think it's an office essential. If you're traveling also with your laptop, with your bag, you must carry a bottle of water with you. It's a good bottle. It looks really pretty, and it is on a 58% discount. सिर्फ 929 rupees में मिल रहा है, which is fabulous. Where are my guys? कहाँ हैं सब लोग? So yes, hi. Okay, let's see, and let's get back to the next product, which is also fabulous and very nice. बहुत दिमाग लगा के छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हमने इस कार्ट में ऐड करी है. ये मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आया. ये इसको आप किसी को फेंक के भी मार सकते हो. ये एक्चुअली पेपर वेट है, बट इट लुक्स लाइक गोल्ड. जस्ट इमेजिन कीपिंग इट लाइक दिस. पीपल विल से अरे 1 किलो सोना ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ है आपके टेबल पे. बड़ा ही कूल लगा मुझे एक्चुअली ये, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ रियली कूल पेपर वेट टू हैव. आई एम जस्ट गोना मार्क इट फॉर यू. इट्स ओनली फॉर 679 रुपीज़, जिसमें आपके पास 3 सोने के ब्रिक्स आते हैं जो ऐसे दिखते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी नाइस. इट्स रियली कूल. एंड हियर इट गोज. इट्स लाइक nice. It's a good paperweight to have. So if you're looking for a nice paperweight for your office table, for home, please, you can consider it. Do let me know any more questions around this or any of the products that I've already spoken about. We will go and discuss further. Now quickly, let's move, let's get going, and let's talk about this cute hamper, which is hastip, पता नहीं क्या नाम है, बट हैम्पर बड़ा क्यूट है. इसमें बॉक्स इज़ नॉट वेरी ड्यूरेबल, लेट मी टेल यू. ये ऐसे बॉक्स में आता है, बहुत ड्यूरेबल नहीं है, बट ये गिफ्टिंग के लिए बहुत बढ़िया है. इसमें बहुत सारे नोट पैड्स हैं, पेपर है. सो दिस इज़ द स्टफ दैट यू गेट विद इट. सी, very nice paper sheets. It's a very good gift. Two cards, letters for you. There is this inside it. There are some nice stickers which I love because I think marking के लिए बहुत, always choose adventure, life is tough, ये सब stickers हैं. थोड़े ये वाले कलर के stickers हैं. It's more like, you know, just see this. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. You can really have a hamper like this. You can, it's very good for gifting because Amazon से मैं बहुत सारे gifting products खरीदती हूँ. So I thought somebody who's there in their office or at home and have a really cute home setup, you can gift this to them. ये देख लो ज़रा. Look at this diary. It's cute. It has a small diary as well and it is discounted. छोटा डायरी है, साइज मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके, एंड कलर उससे ज़्यादा. सो यप गाइस, सॉरी, बट दिस इज़ ओनली फॉर 789. सो इट्स 789. इट इज़, व्हेन आई लुक एट इट, मुझे थोड़ा फिर भी लग रहा है कि चलो ठीक है, बट गिफ्टिंग के लिए अच्छा है बिकॉज इट लुक्स लाइक अ फुलर गिफ्ट. बट आई डोंट नो लाइक इफ everyone will be happy with it. So yeah, if you have to give someone, then I think it is a great buy to have or gift. But rest, it's average, I would say. ठीक है, मतलब मैं और ज़्यादा अच्छी क्वालिटी एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी. शायद मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशंस ही हाई थे. बट yeah, the rates are good. It's for 700 rupees. You have these little stamps that you get with it, which can be very useful. So one box at home will really make your life easy because you know, oh, you also get these. Now I know why. So you get these also, these notepads, these bookmarks in this. See, again, the bookmarks are not of very high quality, but they are nice. They are all stamps actually. Stamps, bookmarks की तरह आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. तो छोटी चीज़ें हैं गिफ्टिंग के टाइम पे, या ऑफिस में कुछ आप किसी को दे रहे हो तो उसके टाइम पे. मेमो लिस्ट है, मेमो पैड है, चेक लिस्ट है, डेट है. ये आई लाइक, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट एक्चुअली. चेक लिस्ट बहुत सही है. So you can have these little things on your office table. It just makes it look pretty, and these things are very handy. ये काम आ जाती हैं. तो and the price point is good. So yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea to just, you know, order one box and keep. If you are a person who likes little quirky things and cute things, then of course you're gonna love it for sure. ये मैं यहाँ पे रख रही हूँ and I am going to quickly. Oh, ये जिसमें मैं रख रही हूँ, ये कितनी बढ़िया चीज़ है. पहले तो आप ये देख लो. You know, this is so useful, guys. Like, this is amazing. It's a great office table पे रखने के लिए बहुत ही amazing है. I will take out my phone. You can see this. You can put your remote. Forget office. ये तुम इसी का remote भी रख सकते हो. चश्मे रख सकते हो. काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो आप यूज़फुल इसके अंदर रख सकते हो. और अगर ये आपके बेड साइड टेबल पे पड़ा है तो ऑफिस का सामान भी, कुछ पेन्स, कुछ पेन्स. इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टैंड टू हैव. लेट मी मार्क इट फॉर यू. दिस इज, hi, who all are watching this live, please say something so that I know you guys are there. It's going well. Okay, my phone is not updating for some very strange reason, so I was like, ठीक है, you know, maybe it is just me. So keep chatting. So keep chatting, keep letting me know how it's going. This is for only 448 rupees. Like you saw, इतनी सी चीज़ है एंड इतनी यूज़फुल है. और ये सिर्फ 400 रुपये की, 448 मतलब 450 रुपये की है. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. और ये ऐसे आप बेड साइड पे भी रख सकते हो, जिसमें बहुत सारा सामान आ जाता है. पेपर्स आ सकते हैं, पेन्स आ सकते हैं, चश्मा आ सकता है, रिमोट आ सकता है. काफ़ी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो आप इसको मतलब इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड ओके, Atrika, hi. So hello, I don't know, today there's a little glitch, so I don't know how many people are watching this live. So guys, keep chatting with me so that I know you guys are there. Any questions, Atrika? Where are you from? पहले तो आप ये बताएं. I am sitting in Bombay. हमने थोड़ा सा ऑफिस सेटअप का आज लाइव किया है, where we've got a lot of products that can be useful for work from home. So yes, do let me know if you want more details about a particular product or else anything, like, it's a live show. We talk, we chat, we have some fun, and it is really nice. Saying that, आई थिंक एक क्वेश्चन तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग वाला विच इज़ दिस. इसमें क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, ये कवर है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन कवर है, विच ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज एज अ बैक रेस्ट फॉर of course when you're sitting at home or on your chair, and it will really add a lot of value. It's beautiful. It's only for 350 rupees. Just imagine 350 रुपये का इतना प्यारा सा क्वेश्चन कवर है ना. और 349 में लिमिटेड टाइम डील है. It's on a 73% off. Just look at the quality. It's heavy duty. It's nice, and just kept on your bed or on your couch will look super cute and super pretty. So hello Atrika, are you there? Where are my people? So I am going to be like, hi, let me check it out. कोई प्रोडक्ट जो अभी तक मैंने दिखाया जिसके बारे में आप और जानना चाहते हैं, do let me know. I will tell you more about it. Saying that, there is this really cute small product that I have right here, which is a memo dispenser. Guys, can you imagine? ये छोटी सी चीज़ है but ये इतनी यूज़फुल है ना. It's fine. Yes, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. We can see you. Okay, perfect. But I can't see how many people. So guys, please keep chatting with me so that I know there are a lot of people out there who can see me. So this is a really cute memo dispenser from Informate, and just see this. बहुत easy है, और इसमें से ना सिर्फ अपने आप मेमोज निकलेंगे. तो ऐसे रखा हुआ है साइड में, अच्छा लग रहा है. You just do this and पेपर आ जाएगा आपके हाथ में. So it's a really nice memo dispenser which I like, and I think it is very useful because ये एक तो प्राइस पॉइंट बहुत सही है इसका. 2 of these you get for 318 rupees. 58% डिस्काउंट पे है, and like you see, the way it just throws paper out is amazing. You saw that? And the second one is already ready. Third one, actually, I don't want to waste paper. इसको अंदर करिए. I'm going to keep this one for sure because I think it's really cute, and you can always refill it, right? You have to just open it, refill it, and keep it. And it is like, बच्चों के पास रहेगा तो हो गया. But yeah, for kids also, like, you take out one paper at a time and you give it to them. They can't see it, otherwise all the papers are gone, guys. So yeah, this is a really cute memo dispenser from Informate, which is nice. I like it. And like, quickly let's move to the other side कि कुछ पेन्स के बारे में बात करें. Let's take these papers and move to the segment which is right near me. Which is here. ये बहुत कमाल की चीज़ है यार. ये देख लो, पहले मेरे पैर का है. ये इतना अमेजिंग है ना. Oh wow, now I feel good. This is cute. Okay, I do actually work like this sometimes when I'm doing my thing. I literally put everything on my slab, on the side slab, and I just work on my laptop. कभी मुझे लगता है my feet get tired, so this is so comfortable. This particular cushion जिस पे मैंने अपना पैर रखा हुआ है, जो आप देख सकते हैं. Let me mark this cute cushion for you. वेट कहाँ गया क्वेश्चन? ये वाला, ये रहा. मेट्रॉन डुअल हाइट क्वेश्चन है. इट इज़ ऑन 65% ऑफ. 65% इज अ great discount to have, and it is very good just to keep on the floor when you're sitting. कभी chair की height, like, I'm just literally relaxed. I'm like so dressed like work from home now, but that's how it is supposed to be, right? So this is it. And बहुत अच्छा, मन नहीं कर रहा पैर हटाने का, बट ये मेट्रॉन का है. यू कैन सी दिस. 2 हाइट में अवेलेबल है. So when you need more height, you add this. Otherwise, this one is also there. And ये stick हो जाता है ऐसे और height बढ़ जाती है इसकी. तो आप अपनी convenience पे इसको attach और detach कर सकते हो. So literally you're getting two at the price of one, which is for only 1400 rupees. And a lot of people complain of, like, you know, they need a footrest when they are working, especially sitting on the chair for really long. In fact, chairs are also there on my cart. So if you want to check out, है ना, अच्छा है ना ये? The chair, it's really nice. Just see this. Yeah, guys. उल्टा करो. Like this. Oh, you want to? You can also do this. Exercise while sitting on your chair with this cute cushion. वैसे भी रख सकते हो और ऐसे भी रख सकते हो. मतलब जैसे अच्छा लगे वैसे आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो. हार्दिक, hi, thank you for following me, Hardik. How are you? Can you see this live? Where are you from? Tell me more about you. And all of you, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram too. My handle is Pranita_Pandit. And yep, I will see you guys there as well. And I will share a lot of links of a lot of products that are there. अच्छा, अभी तक मैं इतनी comfortably बेड पे बैठी थी ना, मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि मैं इतनी कंफर्टेबली बेड पे कैसे बैठी हूँ. जैसे मैं यहाँ के बैठी, मैंने कहा यार कुछ तो मिसिंग है, और मैंने टर्न करके देखा तो देखा वो कुशन. That cushion is a game changer. I think it is so important. You're sitting on the bed or you're sitting on the chair. Let me first orthopedic lumbar का cushion है ये. It's, of course, it gives you a great support, great back support. Like you see that. इतना मेमोरी फोम वाला कुशन है ये. चेयर पे भी अच्छे से इसका स्ट्रैप है जो लग जाता है. यू कैन जस्ट टाई टू द चेयर, यू कैन पुट इट ऑन योर बेड लाइक दिस एंड देन सिट. सो इट विल गिव योर बैक द काइंड ऑफ इरेक्ट वाली वाइब फीलिंग जो चाहिए, एंड इट कीप योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. सो यस, दिस इज a great cushion to have. So here you go. There are these two cushions that I have with me. Yeah, of course back pe hona chahiye, so I've just kept it here, but it is only for $1,000. And you know, these are all like with memory foam, and also the quality is really high. It's not like cheap quality. So yes, do not worry about that. And now let's quickly move to this folder stand that I've got from Amazon. I think it is so nice. Let me just first mark it for you. ये आदमी समझता नहीं है छोटी चीज़ों की वैल्यू, बट बहुत वैल्यूबल है. कहाँ है पहले ये बता दो भाई. Where is my folder stand? It's here. Informate का adjustable desk folder stand है ये. So guys, you can just check this out. You can adjust this as per you. मैं इस stand की बात कर रही हूँ. Let's check this stand out. It's very easy to adjust this and remove it and readjust it. इतने अगर आपके files भारी हैं, यहाँ से करना पड़ेगा हमें थोड़ा सा. So yeah, if your files are a little heavy, then you can adjust it according to that. मतलब thicker है तो thicker हो जाएगा, thinner है तो thinner हो जाएगा. ये स्टील का है. So you just have to do something so simple as like इसको just move कर सकते हो आप ऐसे and just place them in, and that's it. And you take it out and you place them in. So as per your need you can adjust it. And ये बहुत ही sturdy है, stainless steel का है, heavy duty है, बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत भारी है, but it is heavy. So you know that heavy files will be able to, मतलब वो support कर पाएगा आपके heavy files को. So something like this even for books is a great buy, I feel. और इसमें 1 2 3 4 you know detachable stands मिलते हैं, which is quite cool. And in fact these guys do a lot of this office stuff on Amazon, because when I was looking for folders and stuff like that, मेरे को सारा, hi Sabha, how are you? इतनी late आज Sabha. So yeah, मतलब मुझे ये लग रहा था कि ये सारे ये एक ही ब्रांड दे रहा है, but the point is कि yeah, they do a lot of these folders, adjustable, and let's not forget, ये scratch नहीं होगा क्योंकि इसके नीचे ये rubbers लगे हुए हैं. So it is very nice, it's very sturdy, and you can just put all your files together like this here, right here. And I'm going to quickly mark these folders for you. अरे कहाँ चला गया? ये वाले जो folders हैं भैया, ये बहुत ही amazing है. ये set of 3 आता है, and set of 3 है या individual भी ले सकते हैं, but बहुत बहुत amazing है. I'll just show you this. And the size is huge, okay? So this has actually 6 and it's for 2,550 rupees. So just imagine, just look at this. कितना सारा अच्छा खासा मोटा फाइल इसमें आपका फिट आ सकता है. And ये रहा, and it is just with one click you can open it and you are good to go. You can put your folders like मतलब papers like this here. अगर आपको सारा एक साथ डालना है, आप डाल के इसको बस एक क्लिक से बंद कर सकते हैं and ऐसे इसको रख सकते हैं. So ये बहुत ही amazing चीज़ है and बहुत cool है, and you can just literally keep it like this on the side, and that's it. Mark it and keep it in your house or in your office. So it's a great buy. And मेरे साथ इनका गुड मॉर्निंग अभी हुआ है. यस यस यस, ये बात सच है भाई. और कहाँ हैं सब लोग, कैसे हैं, कुछ बताएं पीपल. कैसा लग रहा है आज का लाइव? लुक्स एक्सट्रीमली स्टेबल कंपेयर टू रेगुलर. एब्सोल्युटली, यू आर सो राइट. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. एंड इनफैक्ट जो ये प्लास्टिक का ये भी है, ये बहुत हैवी ड्यूटी है. इट्स नॉट फ्लिम्जी, like it is solid. It is like a solid folder, you know, file holder. In fact, I can just literally put the whole file inside this and just again, like, you know, इतना बड़ा है ये और इतना सारा सारे papers आ सकते हैं इसमें that it's not even funny. I like the fact that this has this where you can actually just tag your file and put it like, write it down कि कौन सा folder है. You can click it like this. The colors are very nice and you can keep it like this. So yeah, you can see these. I love the colors. You can actually even segregate them with colors with this. And this file holder is fantastic. So anyone who's looking for a file holder or files, please just go buy it. You will love it. So yes, this and this is right here. And we will go quickly and see. Oh, how can I forget Miniso के अच्छे fragrances, diffusers. Diffusers is something that is a part of all my home lives. Because I think कि अच्छी खुशबू ना हमेशा आपका मूड अच्छा रखती है. So we have to have that little nice thing happening. So please do get a nice diffuser. Miniso के आते हैं बहुत सारे, जिसमें मैंने जो लिया है उसमें कैंडल भी है और 50 ml. This really cute little diffuser is really sweet. So you can add this to your cart. And then I have this also, yaar. अच्छा, ये बड़ा, ये ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये नोट पैड्स है, पर ये बहुत ही सही है. ये एक्चुअली खुल जाता है. इसको मैं पहले मार्क करती हूँ and then we will like, you know, see this in detail. You guys actually think there is a glitch now? There are more people watching this live now. Huh? Yeah, na? There might be. So, yes. ये ऐसे खुल जाता है. Yes. We know Sabah is in London and she's watching this live. And where are you guys? Why you guys? ये बहुत cool है. ये अच्छा खासा screw है and it's quite like heavy duty and it's for 1,000 rupees. मैंने सोचा ये 1,000 rupees का क्यों है? Then I understood ये 1,000 rupees का क्यों है, because ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये नोट पैड मिल रहा है. This is made of proper, you know, metal and बहुत ही cool दिखता है. And you can open it like this. Take it out like this. ये तो इसके साथ papers आते हैं and you don't have to tear anything. You can just literally take this out and give it, or else it's really nice. You can keep adding the papers accordingly, and this pad will remain, so it's like forever. Informate ka again, you can see this. It's very very good to have something like this. Memo को का जितने papers डालने हैं, just punch them and keep putting it in. Very very good to make notes, to have in your house. ये देखो चू चू भी कर रहा है. But stable है, मतलब ये ऐसे कोई ख़राब होने वाली चीज़ नहीं. You can see this. It's very nice. So for your office use, for your home use, it's too cute. And yeah, it gives a vintage feel for sure. It is like really nice and hip. I like the white color. I think they have more colors in it also. White and gold is very classic, and I personally love it. So yes, in fact अब एक छोटी सी चीज़ है मेरे पास जिसको मैं I'm dying to use. This pen का set that I ordered. Okay, so let's just check this out. Okay, so this is for 1799. It's a little steep, but it is really nice because it has designs. I think you will get the same thing at a lesser price also, no? Okay, let's check this out. It's so cool. So just like to give a little design on the side of your. This is very nice यार. ये मेरे को नहीं पता था कि ऐसी चीज़ें मिलती हैं Amazon पे. So let's check this out and see. At 5,600 people have bought it. So I'm going to mark it. It's actually for 200 something. ये मैंने गलत वाला mark कर दिया. I'm really sorry. Let me mark the correct one for you. Where are you guys? क्या हो रहा है? सबने लंच कर लिया है कि करने जा रहे हो? क्या हो रहा है बताओ भाई. Why can't I find it on my cart? Okay, the prices are I think updated on my cart or what? No, it's here. Okay, so this is for 299. Sorry. It's you do go flowering पेन्स. भाई मैंने कहा इसकी क्वालिटी 1200 वाली तो नहीं लग रही थी, तो या 1700 वाली. ओह ये तो बड़ा कूल है, ये ठीक है. सो या यू कैन मेक दीज डिज़ाइंस विद दिस. हल्का सा प्रेस करो एंड या आई थिंक दिस इज़ लाइक अ मस्ट हैव. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ दीज पेन्स दैट यू गेट, इट्स क्यूट. इट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of these you have. So yeah, we tried to. Let's see more designs what we get on this. Okay, red color ka ye. Okay, now let's quickly go to the pink. I'm looking forward to the pink. Oh, pink flowers and orange flowers. Cool. काफ़ी cute है ना ये. ये क्या है? ये देखें, ये blue color का. Oh my god, I love this. This is my favorite. Dotted lines. Fill in the blanks कर रहे हैं ना, like just say like if I'm making an Aisha this thing, so she'll know that she has to write here. So it's really cute. I love it. Let's see this. This is purple dotted lines क्या? Yeah, these are, oh my god, look at the color man. It's so nice. I'm tripping on these. I love it. This green we had used. नहीं ये तो yeah, green हमने कर लिया था. अब रह गए हैं बस दो. Pink and yellow. This is like thoda dark pink. Oh, this has hearts, guys. Very nice यार. You just have to be very stable. हल्का प्रेस करके करना होता है. And बहुत ही बढ़िया आ रहा है इसका जो फील है. ये रहा. और last but not the least, I think it is the yellow dotted lines. Yes, it is. It's nice. So yes guys, hi, how are you? आप देख रहे हो? Hi Sabah, are you there? Amazon customer, all the people who are watching this live, keep watching with me. And yes, if you're not following me, तो जल्दी से जाओ and click that follow button, because yeah, we would love that for sure. So this is right here, this is right here. And what is this? Do we have the battery in this? Oh, it's a chargeable one. Let's switch it on. एंड ये कितना क्यूट लाइट स्टैंड है. आई हैव टू स्विच इट ऑफ. ओ वाओ, ये हो गया ऑफ. लेट मी मार्क इट फॉर यू. इट्स रियली क्यूट. बहुत लाइट वेट है. आई डिडंट नो इट बी दैट नाइस. सो इट्स ओनली फॉर 600 रुपीज़. फ्लैंगो 3 मोड कलर चेंजिंग लाइट है ये. हाई, एनी वन वॉन्ट्स टू नो लिटिल मोर अबाउट इट? ये देखो, 1 2 and 3, and you can see this so clearly. Like, I've written all these penka things. It's so important to have a small light, and it's so cute. So yep. And talking about the cuteness, recently, I was thinking कि एक मैट है जो हमको जो बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी होता है for keeping all your things and stuff. But first, that before that, I will just show you some more smaller products which can be very very useful. Is this very cute stylish plastic Infomate का भी folder जो सिर्फ 800 रुपीज़ का है. You can see this. Again, you can put your own paper, folder, whatever, diary inside it. So I like the fact that this stays stable and this can just go in. And yeah, you get a pen with it. इसको ऐसे बंद करो और इसको ऐसे रख दो. So it's a really nice protection for your nice diaries. And it's plastic, so you know that it's gonna be like थोड़ा stable है, अच्छा है, बढ़िया है. So do guys check this out. And also there is a little product which is छोटू सी चीज़ है but ये बहुत useful चीज़ है. Is like you can actually just slide in write in your paper, your board, your things to do, and just hang it. It's like a photo frame or a folder with something that you can keep replacing. So it is very useful. This is also not very expensive, but let me check it out. I'll mark it for you. The outer clay, yes, splash proof. Exactly, when you have to put it in a place where कि गंदा हो सकता है, पेपर से चिपका रहे हैं, इससे बेटर है कि इसमें डाल के notes डाल दो. So for especially in children's room or in your office for reminders, it's great. Wow. First let me mark it for you guys. Wait. Peel and stick नहीं है ये है कुछ और. So I will check it out. I will mark it for you. But let's quickly go to this another product that I've got is peel and stick, which has really caught my eye. It's magnetic, guys. It's magnetic. So can you imagine? Don't you think it's really cool? So you can just literally do this, and you can just literally stick this. You can peel this, stick it on a glass top, and then just keep. ये देखो. So I'm gonna peel, stick it, and yeah, I know for a fact. ये है पूरा magnetic है, so you can just literally put a paper inside it. Wait, let me draw something and put it and show you. And now I want to put it in. All I have to do is this and this, and we are good to go. And I can actually peel and stick it. Should I? करूँ क्या stick? Peel करके. Oh, magnetic है ये. So yeah, this is the peel and stick from here. You have to just peel this and you can just stick it. It sticks properly to glass, to anything magnet. You can see this, it sticks. You can keep changing it. I'm just going to keep it back because I want to stick it in a normal proper place. And this is again something which is very useful. काम की चीज़ है. These are again small things, small folders which are splash proof, waterproof, that you can check out. So a lot of nice office products are there on Infomate. So yes, you can do that. Check them out. Let me know how it's going. Let me mark some more things for you guys. We have spoken about this. Oh, how can I forget this? This one is for you, Siddharth. I'm going to talk about this particular product only for you, and yes, when 55 तक करना है, so now I'm gonna do it, भले को देखे या ना देखे. Yeah, ouch. ये just look at this. You get this little cat also, to which that is the only thing. Okay, so this is like, ये आपको ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, ये आपको, ये MDF बोर्ड है by the way, और ये आपको पतले से पैकेट मिलेगा जिसमें आपको उसको असेंबल करना है. और इसको असेंबल करना बहुत आसान है क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे स्क्रूज हैं. दिख रहा है ये 1 2 3 4. तो आप अगर आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट करने में इंटरेस्टेड है और आपको ये बहुत क्यूट सा टेबल के साइड में जगह चाहिए टू कीप योर पेन्स, टू कीप योर थिंग्स, देन यू कैन ऑलवेज कंसिडर दिस. सो देयर आर दीज क्यूट. ये आता है इसके साथ स्क्रू, जस्ट विच विल स्क्रू योर हेड, क्योंकि ये आपको बहुत टाइम लगेगा करने में. हमें काफ़ी टाइम लग गया इसको बनाने में. सो आई थिंक इट्स रियली नाइस, बट आई लाइक इट. ये छोटा सा है, पेपर्स रख सकते हो, छोटे छोटे पेन्स या चीज़ें रख सकते हो. सो इट्स रियली नाइस. इट्स अ क्यूट लिटिल टेबल साइड के लिए अच्छी सी चीज़. सो या, डू चेक इट आउट. एंड या, gives quite a vintage feel. It is really nice, but it took. I got some Amazon parcel today, and what happened? Tell me that, Sabha. Okay, and one more thing is this briefcase, plastic briefcase box, which I have to show you. जिससे पहले मैं ये live end नहीं कर सकती हूँ. Is this? This again I have got from Informate, and they send these really nice. एक तो ये हो गया बॉक्स फाइल. ये प्रॉपर फाइल बॉक्सेस है. रुको मेरे को मार्क करने दो पहले ढूंढ के इसको. I had added it. Where are you? Where adjustable desk. ये है, ये है, ये है. Can't find it. Where can I find it? It's here only. So you can just check out Informate and you will find it. These are these really nice boxes that you get. बॉक्स फाइल्स है ये. ओ सॉरी, ये तो खुलता है ऐसे प्रॉपर ना, ये तो डब्बे सा है. ये यहाँ से खुल जाएगा एंड ये बंद हो जाएगा. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी वेरी यूजफुल. सो डॉक बॉक्स. और एक्चुअली ये बहुत लोग ढूंढते रहते हैं क्योंकि जैसे प्रॉपर्टी पेपर्स होते हैं या इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स होते हैं दैट यू वांट टू कीप इन द लॉकर स्पेशली ऑल्सो. यू नीड फाइल बॉक्सेस लाइक दिस. सो यू कैन लिटरली जस्ट order them from Amazon and get it. Otherwise it'll be very expensive. You can put all your good expensive proper documents in here ताकि वो ख़राब ना हो. Seal it and then put it in the locker also. Now saying that our life is almost coming to an end, but this, there is something. Oh, thank you. I will meet your daughter Sabha for sure. Wait, first let me mark this amazing mat that I've got, जिसके ऊपर ये सब हमने तामझाम बिछाया है. और ये इतना important है ना क्योंकि this will really yeah, this is only for $6.99. This is the mat that you get. Waterproof, very nice leather mat, and you can put everything. The quality is really nice. See, I'm scratching it, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Nothing is happening. It's really nice. It's very cool. You get this belt, you can roll it up, tie it up like this and keep it. It's very high in quality. These little birdies also are from Amazon, so you can check them out too. And yeah, hi, how are you guys? कोई भी questions or any other product that you want to see or you have any question about, you can always ask me. Rest, I think now it's time for me to go. I love this mat. There are a lot of these things that we got from Informate, so do check them out and do let me know. Let's next Thursday I think we're going to be doing something different. Home picks कर रहे होंगे, तो please join me next Thursday for sure. And here we are. These mats are beautiful. This mat particularly, I love it. I love the green color also, and थोड़ा squishy भी है, मतलब cushion है. ये देखो. And yeah, dual color भी use कर सकते हो आप. Actually उल्टा भी करके use कर सकते हो. That is the best part about it, कि आप इसको सीधा भी रख सकते हो और इसको आप उल्टा करके भी रख सकते हो. So yes, that is there. Perfect guys. I can now just suddenly see numbers go up while I'm ending the live or what? I want to wait, like I want to see this through for 2 more minutes. So any questions you have, do ask me, do let me know. Which one is that? Yeah, this I've already showcased this. I can see the numbers go up suddenly now. मतलब the technical glitch was only limited to my live or what? कितने लोग देख रहे हैं? Can you guys say hi to me? Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. Yeah. What is happening? Hi, hello. There was something. I think someone is. What is happening? So, anyways, तो आज हमने बहुत सारे products showcase किए. Yeah, now suddenly the numbers are going high. सबाहे. तो आज हमने बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट शोकेस किए which was all about home happiness and office. So yeah, there are a lot of products from the office segment. I'm just going to run you through them and we will just talk about it. Yeah, Karan, hi Karan, how are you? Please follow me if you can see this live, guys. Just please follow me. Informate का laptop stand जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था, जो बहुत ही बढ़िया था. And yeah, now the numbers are suddenly going high. What was it? Hi Amazon customer, thank you for following me. Yeah, so this is the stand that we were talking about. ये हमने दिखाया है, हमने बात करी है इसकी. Now yeah, yes. Suddenly now I can see the numbers. ये क्या हो रहा है? I'm like literally feeling like what just happened. कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया. So there was a technical glitch on Amazon only for that 1 hour where I was doing a live or what. So yes, lots of development going on. Yes, and a lot of people, all of you who can see me, do check out my live from the start. If you follow me, you'll be able to see my past live, my new lives, and so on. And yep, thank you so much. It's heartbreaking to see the numbers go up now, and I have to leave the live. But I will see you guys next Thursday. And yes, take care. Bye. ये क्या था?